Hello friends, my name is Hemasri. I am studying first class at Taka School. Today we are going to explain types of plants. Let's go. This is tree because tall and big. This is climb up to tree because climb up to tree. This is herb because it is soft stem. This is sharp because this is it has thin stem. Thank you for listening.